Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you chicken fry recipe. Chicken 700 grams. Garlic 7 pieces and ginger 1 inch size. Coriander seeds 2 tablespoons. Small cinnamon stick, green cardamom 3, black cardamom 1, black pepper 5, red chili 10. Fry 2 minutes on low flame. Let it cool, grind into fine powder. Oil 4 tablespoons. Chopped onion 1. Fry it. Add ginger garlic paste. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Now add chicken. Fry for 5 minutes. Add salt ½ teaspoon. Cover and cook for 10 minutes medium flame. Now add masala and fry for 5 minutes on low flame. Add curry leaves. coriander leaves. Now turn off the flame. Chicken fry is ready. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.